There is a question which I would like to address in respect to our conversation today. And the question is, how long have you been a Baha'i? Fascinating question. I love to answer it. I was raised in the environment of a strong and dedicated Baha'i family. Therefore, ever since I remember, I considered myself a Baha'i. However, in line with the principle of the Baha'i faith, at the age of 15, I registered my name officially as a Baha'i. This means that independent from my parents, I made a commitment by enrolling my name as a Baha'i. Now, the second part of this question also fascinates me. Why did you become a Baha'i? During my childhood and teen years in Iran, I attended a Christian missionary school and was surrounded on one side by Christian missionary zeal and on the other side by Islamic fundamentalism. Growing up in midst of our neighbors and friends who were members of the Muslim, Christian, Jewish, and Zoroastrian faiths was a rich and exciting experience for me. Yet contention and discord among the followers of these religions mystified me. I continued to have a sense of puzzlement and bewilderment. Why the contention and discord? Why the hostility and the defamation of character? I would often ask myself, by posing the question, would it not be wonderful if all these religions could fall within the same fold? In my preteen years, I asked, would it not be wonderful if there were all-encompassing system that embraced all different religions into a whole? However, when I became aware of the ongoing conversation in science on the need for a unified principle, I asked again, would it not be wonderful if there could be a belief system, a unified premise of religions? That is, an all-encompassing belief system wherein all these religions could find their place, could find their home, their purpose, their meaning. Then all of a sudden, one day I had one of these aha moments that indeed such a belief system is among us. It is already in existence, and that I happen to be surrounded by it. That belief system is the Baha'i faith. My conviction in and my dedication to Baha'i faith became solidified. Now, as to the third part of that question, which I would like to briefly address, what would you tell someone who's searching for spirituality? Spirituality as the core of all religions. It can satisfy man's longings. Religion without spirituality is an empty shell, like a body within a soul. Look for spirituality. Look for spirituality. Look for spirituality. When you find it, immerse yourself in it. Let its splendor and magnificence surround and guide you.